Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15en001hs. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your HP Omen 15en001hs are not responding, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various factors, such as dust or debris getting stuck beneath the keys or a faulty keyboard component. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications with your device. To resolve this, a keyboard replacement is often necessary. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement keyboard compatible with your HP Omen 15en001hs. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by carefully flipping the device over onto a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back panel. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. After removing the back panel, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the main board. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently lifting the retaining clip. Once the cable is free, you can proceed to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws securing it, so ensure you check for those as well. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old keyboard removed, take the new one and align it with the mounting points. Once in place, reconnect the flat ribbon cable by pressing it back into the connector and securing it with the clip. After ensuring everything is connected properly, replace the back panel by aligning it and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly forceful, as this could strip the threads. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and power it up to test the new keyboard. Check that all keys are functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from arising again, it's advisable to regularly clean your keyboard and ensure that no debris accumulates under the keys. Additionally, avoid eating or drinking near your laptop to minimize the risk of spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.